Local organizations are working to provide support as substance abuse continues to rage across the North Country, especially across Jefferson, Lewis, and St. Lawrence counties, all of which have seen increases in substance use disorder and overdoses since the start of the year. The Seaway Valley Prevention Council's Recovery Center, located in Ogdensburg, is one of the organizations providing community education and engagement regarding substance abuse topics and prevention. According to the center's program manager, Bill Doyle, this includes peer and family support services, harm reduction services, professional development, and more.
So the Recovery Center, which is, what we have in Ogdensburg, we built in 2019 and we opened. And it's kind of like that phrase from Field of Dreams, if you build it, they will come. And that's kind of what we're hoping for. And we did. We built it, and people are actively using our services every day.
Regarding substance use disorder, Doyle said that the center has seen an alarming number of overdoses in and around St. Lawrence County. However, it does not pertain to one specific drug. Doyle said it's very commonly a combination of many.
We're seeing that a lot of individuals are having, what they feel is cocaine or crack cocaine or maybe even methamphetamine that's also mixed and combined with, fentanyl, but it's not pharmaceutical grade fentanyl. It's fentanyl that somebody is producing in their garage and who doesn't really know what they're doing. And it's incredibly strong. And then they mix it with something. And, by somebody who doesn't have a tolerance for opiates to immediately put something so potent within their body, it's going to result in an overdose 9 times out of 10, unfortunately. So we're seeing a big increase in that specifically since the beginning of the year.
One of the main ways the Valley Recovery Center is helping to stop the rise in overdose trends is through their harm reduction programs, which focuses on the safety of individuals versus rehabilitation.
The whole idea behind harm reduction is to potentially link an individual to recovery support services or treatment providers. Not everybody's ready to quit when they come see us, and we understand that. So the whole idea is to keep them alive.
Through this program, the center offers clean equipment such as needles, syringes, or pipes, as well as disposal of materials. When an individual is ready to seek help, the center offers recovery support services.
Understanding that recovery support services are not treatment. When somebody enters treatment, what happens is typically you're discussing, the past and what brought you to the point you're at today. What recovery support services does is actually focuses on the present and then on the future, right? So yes, you're here. We've accepted that you're here. Now, what are we going to do today? And what are some goals we can set for this time next week? And really helping individuals potentially find their purpose. Just know that they're not alone in this and that there is support there.
And keeping this in mind, the center strongly urges friends and families to provide support to those combating substance use disorder and be there for them even on their darkest days.
As a family member who your loved one or your friend, they're struggling with substance use disorder, just being a kind, compassionate ear, I think, is the most important thing to remember. Not everyone is ready. Like I had said earlier, not everyone's ready to start that journey on changing their life. So having that compassion and that understanding for the individual, and when the time comes and they are ready to get help and to seek services, knowing that the services are there. There is a plethora of support services in all of our counties. It's one of the things we hear a lot is, there's nothing here for somebody who struggles with, opiate use disorder. There's nothing here for somebody who struggles with mental health. There are lots of services here, and we do everything we can to get the word out and to let people know that there are services here. But unfortunately, you don't know about the services until you need them.
For those in need of help, here is a list of support services in the North Country. For ABC 50 Now in Watertown, I'm Isabella Colello. For more local news, go to informnny.com or download the ABC 50 mobile app.